Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a flip through of this planner right here. This is the Clever Fox size medium teacher planner and this is an undated planner. So I went ahead and picked this up for the upcoming school year. I was using my Hobonichi weeks for the school year. The problem that I was having was that since it was a calendar year from January to December, I would always have to keep the previous year's planner in my desk to refer back to things that happened in the fall semester. I absolutely love my Hobonichi weeks for work. It's, like I said, it's been working out great. There's just a couple of things that I'm trying to streamline and just make it a little bit easier, especially if I do work from home. I just am needing a little bit more space, and so I'm going to go ahead and give this one a try for the upcoming school year. I picked up Clever Fox because I have this smaller one. This is just the pocket size. This one is also undated. This is a weekly, and I did a flip through of this on my channel already, so I'll leave that in the description box below. I really like the quality of this. I really enjoyed that there were bookmarks and a little elastic band, so that's why I searched for the other Clever Fox planners and found that they had this one. So this is the cover. I haven't opened it at all, so I purchased it from Amazon, and like I said, this is the medium size, and then I believe there is a larger size as well. So on the back it says it has 12 monthly plans, 54 weekly plans, a 7-period layout, places for student information, communication log, student checklists, school events and dates, and extra pages for notes. And so I will do a flip with you guys today. And I got this color. It kind of looks like in between orange and gold. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And we'll take this off. If you guys have a favorite teacher planner, please let us know in the comments down below. So if you guys are not new to my channel, you know that I use my teacher planner not as a lesson plan book. That is totally separate. That's something separate that I have in my classroom that I share with the other teacher that I share a classroom with. So this is specifically gonna be for like those admin tasks like data, emails, projects, prep for the lesson plans, things of that nature. So we will go ahead and get into this. All right, so here is the inside. A nice little card. Oh, this was the other reason I purchased this. With the first Clever Fox that I had, it comes with a warranty card, which is a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked, which is pretty amazing. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is a teacher planner quick start guide. And it looks like it has all of the different sections or areas that are in this planner, and then kind of a template of how you can use it. This is really nice. So this would be really helpful for new teachers, or maybe teachers who are not used to using this layout. This is really great that they have included this. So I will definitely go back and look at this later. So that's really awesome. I think that's amazing that they have included that. I have not run across another teacher planner that they've included like a quick start guide, so that's awesome. Okay, so here is the inside. And then it has a place for your information. All right, here is the first section. And we have important dates from July to June. Next, we have schedule of school events. So you have a nice vertical layout for your months. Next, we have student information. And you have name, phone, and email at the top. Next we have a communication log. So it says date, name, and then reason / resolved. Okay, then we have a student checklist, and at the top it says use this checklist for grading, tracking assignments, logging attendance, permission slips, etc. And it looks like there's enough for 36 students. Okay, and then there is a second student checklist. And third, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so there are 16, if I counted correctly, 16 of these student checklist pages, which is amazing if you are teaching at a middle or high school level. I think that you're going to have enough space to get majority of your students in. I didn't realize there were that many checklist pages, so that's awesome. Okay, so after your checklist, you have grid pages, and let's see, it looks like there's one of these. Okay, and now you are going to jump into your undated monthly spreads. You have a notes area right here. There are circles on the upper right hand of each box for you to put the date. This is a Sunday start as far as the monthly goes. Okay, then you have another page of grid or graph paper in the middle, and then you jump into another month. So I know that there are 12 months, so we will go ahead and skip to the end of the monthlies. Okay, so there's the last monthly. And then I'm really impressed, by the way, with the way that this is laying flat just by pushing it down once. Okay, so here is your weekly. So you have your week of, subject, and then the days of the week at the top, an area for the notes. So that's how all of your weeks are going to be set up. And then let's skip through all of the weeklies. And there are 54 weeks in here. So at the end of your weeklies, let's see, is this the end? Okay, this is the end of the weeklies. You have five spreads basically of more grid paper, one blank sheet at the back, and then you have your pocket. So here is your elastic pen loop, an elastic band to hold the planner closed. And then this is another awesome part. When I saw this, you do have a nice little folder in the back, but they also include stickers for the school year. So if you enjoy planner stickers, I definitely do, then this is really great. So let's go over these. Okay, so you have first day of school, and then it goes through traditional holidays, late arrival at the bottom, okay, then you do have the months up here, some checks. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so there's 504 meeting stickers and IP meeting stickers, which is awesome because I never see those except on Etsy. Task PTA, note to self, emergency drill. Okay, then this says minimum day, lesson planning, professional development, progress report, report cards, staff development, grades due, and school events. Then you have some, looks like rose gold foil stickers for quizzes and tests, things to copy, grading. And then this is reminder, reschedule, conference, assembly, staff meeting. And And then this is the last one, parent-teacher conference, no school, some break stickers. So overall, I'm really impressed with the school stickers that are included. Obviously, the holidays, they only included a very short list, but it is nice to just have these. So I'm really excited to set this up. Let's go ahead and pull out the ribbons. Let's see how many ribbons we're gonna get. Okay, so once again, just like the small pocket planner, we do get 3 ribbons, and it looks like they're coordinating colors with this cover. So I would imagine based on your cover selection, your ribbon colors are going to be different. So this is really nice because you can put a ribbon on your weekly, on your monthly, and then also on the yearly or on the student checklist area. So that's really nice that there are 3 ribbons. So overall, I'm really impressed. I'm also impressed that this was able to lay flat pretty much on any page that I opened it to. The cover feels, it's a hard cover, but it's a little bit soft, which is nice. This is the spine. It has the Clever Fox symbol right there. When I touch the spine like this, you can tell that it's not extremely hard, which is nice because I think that's one of the reasons that it's able to lay flat completely, because it has some give right there. You can tell that the way that they've created this is that it will lay flat pretty much, it seems like, on almost any page, which is awesome. So that is going to be it for today's video for an unboxing. Once I have this set up for the upcoming school year, I will definitely give an update. I did already pick up some stickers for the monthly section for the days, like the numbers, because every time with Undated planners, I write the wrong date. I'm not sure why. I promise I know how to count, but I always mess it up. So I did pick up some circle dated stickers so I can put those in. And then I also picked up 2 of these. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. These are from plannercraze.com, and I just shopped through her Etsy shop. So they're these like theme monthly stickers, and then also just the plain ones, because I'm not sure which ones are going to fit or which ones I'm going to use. But either way, I'm really excited to set this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy planner related content, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.